So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, my reviews. So today I'm here back with another video explaining you about a new released processor from Samsung. So you guys might know the name Exynos 7904, which is expected to be launched with the Galaxy M series, because Samsung have also mentioned that this particular processor is especially made for Indian markets, which is quite price sensitive, and the processor is also quite good. And according to what we have seen in many interviews and all, this quite matches all those facts. So I personally believe that it will be coming with M2 or M3 of Galaxy lineup, which is going to be launched in a few days. So let me talk about processor now. So this processor is built in 14 nanometer process, where two high performance core are based on ARM Cortex A73 clocked at 1.8 GHz, and six low powered cores are based on Cortex A53, which are clocked at 1.6 GHz with Mali G71 MP2 GPU, which will give you optimal graphics processing power, and you can experience any kind of game very easily, no matter that is PUBG or Absolute or any other Modern Combat or anything. It is going to support your device for all kind of games. So now talking about camera, so this is quite interesting feature about this particular processor. It support a single 32 megapixel of camera and dual 16 plus 16 megapixel of camera, and an advanced triple camera setup that allows a user number of new features. With a multi-camera solution, user can take panoramic picture of a beauty scenery using wide-angle camera, or a closed-up portrait with a bokeh effect using shallow depth of field. Furthermore, the Exynos 7904 offers diverse imaging processing technologies such as scene adaptive color control, video image stabilization, multi-frame image processing for sharper image and better color accuracy. The processor also supports zero shutter lag and phase detection autofocus to capture the special moment in an instant before it passes by. So talking about the video and display which this processor supports is, this processor supports up to full HD plus resolution display and can encode and decode 4K Ultra HD videos at 30 FPS and Full HD videos at 120 FPS. So now talking about the modem and connectivity of the processor. So it supports network services from 2G to 4G LTE for faster and reliable mobile connection, and it supports up to 600 megabits per second of download speed and 150 megabits per second up to upload speed. Now talking about more other things, that it supports GNSS, which means global navigation satellite system, or simply GPS kind of things to achieve position accuracy. The Exynos 7904 integrates diverse connectivity solution including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and FM radios. So this fact also makes me think that it is going to be launched with M series, because now the FM radio is not quite popular in the world, but in Indian market there are also people who use their smartphone to hear radio and FMs. So talking about the storage support, it supports up to eMMC 5.1 storage, and talking about the memory, it supports up to LPDDR4X RAM. So this is the complete package of the processor Exynos 7904. What do you think about this processor, and do you think that it is going to be launched with Samsung M series with M20 or M30 smartphone, or do you think that it is going to be launched with any other kind of device? So now talking about which processor of Snapdragon does it give a tight competition. So it is slightly better and slightly below the Snapdragon 636 in certain kind of specifications. So in some this one performs better, and in some the Snapdragon 636 performs better. So all in all, I want to say is it is quite higher than 636 and below than 660. So what do you think about this processor? Will you be able to accept this processor for Samsung M series, and if yes, then give it a big thumbs up. If no, then also give it a big thumbs up. And till my next video, peace.